like to use painter's tape. Masking tape is just too tough. The tack behind it is really, really strong, and it can just be a little bit more difficult to come away when the time to untape the side of your substrate comes. Though if you find it difficult to remove your tape, you just heat the side of your tape up here with your heat gun and it will peel away. The reason that we're going to be taping the sides today is to create a small well, and the well helps hold any effects that the resin has made together, because where resin flows, resin goes. So if it goes over here, it will continue to drizzle over the edge until it's cured to the jelly point. Now you'll see that I've hardly applied any pressure, and that's because I don't use my thumb when I'm doing the taping. Your thumb has got a lot of padding on it, so when you press onto it, you feel like you're putting a lot of pressure there, but you're really not. You need to put a hard something there to really get that tack happening. And this is so much more efficient than my thumb. Just doing that will allow that to stick much more efficiently than the pressure of my thumb. And the corners, I just double go over them. And you can see that the well's not very high, but it's enough to hold the resin onto the substrate. And I can also make a tab like this so that it's easy when the taping time comes for me to peel that away rather than trying to pick it like that, just like that. We'll do taping on a big substrate at some point, the underneath and the side bits. Make those tabs again. Of course, if we had a bigger substrate, we'd also tuck our tape in underneath so that we would avoid having any drips should we pull the tape off and it still be running ever so slightly, but it just creates a nice neat flush edge.